See the airport?
The traffic got
It's right in front of us.
Island 6, 5 miles southwest of the field. We'll be going this. We'll maintain some.
Look, is it that right there? Yeah, I see it.
Got it? Okay. So when I go over top, I'm going to tell them what I'm going to do. I'm going to fly out 2 miles to the right.
Alright.
Teardrop. Traffic pattern altitude is 1,000.
Turning left base runway.
Airport elevation is 200.
Dropping landing inside.
A lot going on today on this frequency. Last time I was here it was this busy as well.
This tower is pretty close. I remember flying by it when I did my traffic over there, 11 o'clock.
Don't see it. Okay, I see it.
See it?
Yep, I got it. Alright. GUMPS check. Electric fuel pumps on, landing lights on, mixture's full rich, car beats off. We're coming in for landing, so let's do a sterile cockpit. Unless you see traffic.
Copy.
Okay, stop for White Warrior Island 5 miles out.
Robertson Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec, overflying the field. We'll go 2 miles for a teardrop for left entry to runway 2 Robertson. Alright. As soon as we overfly, we'll start our descent. We're 800 or 1,000 above traffic pattern right now. Right over the field.
12 miles out.
2100.
Okay, traffic, Sky 243 is here. Leaving the path to the north practice area. Last call.
Okay, so there's our distance. So when we hit 2 miles, we'll make the right. Actually, 1.5 miles, we'll start the right teardrop.
Noted.
So I'm overflying, making a right teardrop and a 45 entry for the left downwind for runway 2. We got 300 feet per minute descent rate. 0.8 out.
Brookhaven traffic, white Cessna Skyhawk on the upwind will be departing to the south, Brookhaven.
Heading bug is run runway 2. 1.2 out.
Brookhaven traffic, White Warrior Island, 3 miles out.
Coming up on 1.5.
Yep.
Brookhaven traffic.
There's our 1.5, so we're going to start the teardrop.
06.
Making a slow teardrop to the right.
Brookhaven traffic, West Skyhawk, 2 mile final, hour 6, we on miss, Brookhaven.
Or about 300 feet per minute descent rate. Robertson, Plainville, there's a nice golf course there. 16 hundo. And we're 2 miles out still. And Robertson Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's on the 45 for a left and downwind runway 2 Robertson.
And Brookhaven traffic, West Skyhawk, mile final, runway 6, Brookhaven. Brookhaven traffic, White Archer, no left down, runway 6, going to be making a short approach for Brookhaven.
Alright, I'm going to look for a 1 mile final, or excuse me, 1 mile downwind.
Alright.
Runway 02 and using the pattern to the northwest. There you are climbing, okay? Then you climb about 50 feet. Then you climb.
Okay. We're on the left downwind.
That's the White Warrior. So
Robertson Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's left down runway 2 Robertson. Alright. 2,000.
Brookhaven traffic, West Skyhawk is going miss on ILS 6. We'll be going towards southwest Brookhaven.
There's the runway. We got a guy in the air runway. Alright.
On this roll.
And 33 Quebec has traffic on the runway in sight. Alright, we're at 1,000.
White Archer to the left down, runway 6, making a short approach, Brookhaven.
Give him a little bit of time. We're at 1,000, right where we need to be. We got power in.
Almost a mile out.
Yep. Alright, he's airborne. Power's going back. 1 notch in. 1,500 RPM. There's a cemetery building there. And Robertson traffic, Warrior 3, go back to turning left base from runway 2 Robertson. Alright, let's watch the airspeed here. Watch the altitude.
Speed's dropping.
Looking for 70 knots. Power back, going back down a little bit more. I don't want to overshoot this final here. Hey, Robertson traffic, Warrior 3, go back to turning final runway 2.
500.
Full flaps.
We're good with traffic west. Okay. Robinson traffic, Cherokee 017, 2 mile 45 for runway 2, Robinson.
6 hundo.
Short final runway 02.
Trim down for 70. Power's going all the way back out. I got speed in today. That's a lot of speed.
Robinson traffic, Cherokee 017, midfield downwind for 2 at Robinson.
Alright, I'm gonna not get hard on these brakes. Go to the next taxiway. There's no taxiway.
500 set up for landing, Tiger. Traffic, 20272 is keeping the pattern to the west.
We're planning.